In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on eBay at checkout. If you want to split the cost of an eBay purchase into smaller payments, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. In this guide, I'll walk you through the checkout flow clearly so you can complete your order with confidence. To begin, add eligible items to your eBay shopping cart. This part is important because not every listing may qualify for Afterpay. As you shop, make sure the items you're choosing are eligible for this payment option. Once everything you want is in your cart, take a moment to review it so you can confirm the item details, quantities, and total cost before moving forward. When you're ready, click Go to Checkout. This will take you from your shopping cart to the Payment and Order Review area where you'll choose how you want to pay. If you've purchased on eBay before, this page may also show your shipping address and delivery details. So it's a good idea to quickly check that everything looks correct before continuing. Next, under the available checkout options, select Afterpay as your payment method. This tells eBay that you want to pay using installment payments instead of paying the full amount up front. Depending on the item and your region, the option should appear alongside other payment methods. If you see it, simply click to continue with Afterpay. After that, a secure window will pop up and prompt you to log into your personal Afterpay account. This step connects your eBay order to your Afterpay profile so the payment can be processed correctly. Enter your login details in the secure prompt and continue through the sign-in process. Because this happens in a protected checkout window, it helps keep your payment information secure while you complete the purchase. Finally, confirm the installment payment plan to place the order. Before you approve it, review the payment schedule carefully so you understand how the total will be split and when future payments will be due. Once everything looks right, confirm the plan and your order will be submitted. And that's it. By adding eligible items to your cart, going to checkout, selecting Afterpay, signing into your account, and confirming the installment plan, you can complete your eBay purchase in just a few steps.